Hi guys, welcome back with Sass with Us. If you haven't seen us, I'm Asta.
I'm Sim.
And I'm Sirat. And we are three girls with two mics, one conversation, and zero fluff.
Yes, we are. Just before we get into the podcast, I would like to let you guys know in the beginning of the video, you should have seen a blank page with a bunch of text on it, basically telling you that the information that we're going to be sharing today is quite personal. Yes, and it does go into very specific topics, but it's not targeted towards anyone. It is specifically about women's taboo. As women, we will be telling you what we feel and our opinions, not specific towards anyone, and we just want you to understand the real and the reality of what we think about on the specific topic. So, with saying that, let's get into this podcast.
Yay!
Okay, well, anyway, continue.
Never mind.
Okay, go.
Okay, so we did say zero fluff. Today, we're going to be talking about something that women are asked to keep quiet about, which is not something not real, but it's too real. So, some taboos for women that circulate around this globe. We're going to be talking about that. And just before we dive into the podcast, I'm going to tell you guys like how we came up with this topic in the first place. I know there's a lot of content about this, but we really wanted to do this.
And this is different. It's not.
And it's not something, these topics are not something that are often talked about. These topics are very hushed about, very
Controversial.
controversial.
Yeah.
Yes, so that's why this is just our opinion, not targeted to anyone. We're just here to talk about stuff that's not talked about.
And one very important thing I want to point out. We're pointing this out as people that are part of Gen Z and part of millennial. We're stuck in between. So we've seen and we've heard and we have understood multiple stories of what it's like to experience both. And we've also personally experienced part of it as well, which is why we want to show you how real this conversation is and why it's so hushed about, which is why it's a little controversial. But that's what Sasa is for, to bring you these information. Anyway, let's keep going.
So I'll tell you guys like how we got to this conversation in the first place. I was watching this series on Netflix, as most of you already would have. It's called Peaky Blinders. And अभी मैंने देखनी start ही करी है. Like मैं बहुत beginning में हूँ and I love it. I've heard so many good things about it. But this one scene in the second episode or maybe the third episode where this character, she gets pregnant by her brother's enemy or whatever you want to call him, like somebody he doesn't like or some opposition or whatever. And there's this raid in their town, so he has to run away, the guy who gets her pregnant. This woman, her aunt, is explaining to the pregnant lady, like, you need to drop it, like, drop the baby because it's not good for you. He's not coming back. And there's this one line she said that got to me. Like, she tells this character, and I quote, that there, you know the words, there, you're gonna be called a whore, your child's gonna be called a bastard, but there's no word for a man who is not returning to his duty, to his partner, or to the girl who got pregnant. So that's what triggered in me. That's what triggered the shit in me that, oh my god, this is something that's not been talked about ever.
Yeah.
All the feminism talk, everything, women empowerment, women are doing this today, women are doing that, but nobody's talking about these little things that taboos for women.
Yeah.
That you can't raise a child alone, or why did you get pregnant in the first place when you're not married.
Yeah.
So these are still very surface level topics, but we're gonna be diving into them.
Yeah.
And a lot deeper than you guys expect and think. Let's get into it.
Also, Peaky Blinders is what period of film? Like, when was this made? Like, what is it based off of? Like the 19th?
It was like it's based in England.
Yeah.
And it is the reign of like England and Ireland. And it is based in the reign of Winston Churchill, so King George times.
Yeah.
Lot in like back in time.
Yeah.
Watch it, guys. It's
So
very nice.
You can imagine, like, if in that period of time, if the script is like this and that's what they also felt during that period of time, that means that this has been coming on from generation to generation. Yet, we're still hushed about it, and yet the conversations that end up happening about it are always on the surface. No one, even if it does go into deep conversations, it's always been put away. Like it's been told that no, you can't do this. Take it down. Do this. You can't do that.
No, but for the amount of changes that has happened over time, like technology and everything,
Yeah.
this has still been like 1 or 2% changed in some families, not even every family. So it has to be talked more
Yeah,
about.
progress has been made and a lot of progress, but there's still a lot that needs to be talked about. There's
Yeah.
still a lot that needs to be uncovered. There's still a lot of shit out there that needs to get, cleared for the upcoming generations.
Yep.
So we're going to be talking about it today in detail and
Mhm.
what like some of the major things that women go through, the taboos for them, what's not acceptable, what's acceptable. Yeah.
There's a lot. I know that our last podcast was not on a serious topic at all relating any of this. It was a much more fun girls talk, but I want you guys to like we want to show you that yes, we want to show you what girls talk is about, but this topic does come up very often in girls talk because it affects us so much, right? It might not be all the topics that affect us, but it is definitely a occurring topic that we want to talk about and bring it to light. So I would say let's get into it.
I wanna like talk about the point you just mentioned. Just because we're girls and we talk about everything. Girls talk is not just nonsense or just like random bullshit all the
People
time.
usually think that it's just like us talking about like girly shit, but
Yeah.
it's actually
My
way
nails are
deeper.
done.
Yeah.
I got my makeup. I got Sephora makeup. We do that.
We do that too, but we
That's-
talk
that's a
about
different
everything else as well.
Yeah, exactly.
And this is one of the major topics that comes up in girls talk. So
Yeah.
let's dive into
Let's
it,
get
guys.
into it, guys.
Now let's get into it.
Okay.
Talking about Peaky Blinders, like we're talking about this woman who gets pregnant and how she's told that, oh my god, you can't have this baby, you cannot raise it alone. I want to talk about how it's looked down upon when a woman says that, oh, I never want to have kids,
Yeah.
or like I choose not to have kids, or I choose myself over having kids,
Yeah.
or I choose my body first.
Mhm.
How it's looked down upon, what it makes a woman feel about it, and how it affects a woman's mental health.
Mhm.
It's usually looked up as self, like you are called selfish if you don't want to have kids.
Yep.
People think that you're gonna regret it.
Yep.
You are not, or you're not okay, or is something wrong with you, and you're way too modern for this. There are name tags put up
Yeah,
on people,
yeah.
which is not okay.
Exactly. Like we start labeling women as a category that that if you're not gonna have kids, then how are you gonna what are you meant for? What's your worth? How are you gonna do everything that we've taught you?
You're useless.
Exactly. Like you have no purpose. But then if you do end up having a kid, but if it's at the wrong age, not the right category, not the right time, then they say, okay, but how are you going to learn everything? You haven't learned everything yet to teach them this. How are you going to raise them? You know nothing yet. So until it's like when you know enough, then you have to put it to use. Otherwise, you have no purpose. But if you don't know enough, then you also have no purpose.
It's double standard.
Yeah, exactly. It's a hypocritical double standard bullshit.
And I also like, okay, so I want to speak something about from personal experience. I'm gonna turn 26 next month, and obviously, as you can imagine, the pressure of getting married has been hovering around my head.
बेटा शादी कर लो. Abhi, she sent a mugshot as a photo. We're this close and we don't want to get married. We're sending mugshot photos, guys.
My,
even a real mugshot, just
my dad is like on top of my head. Photo bhejo, photo bhejo, photo bhejo beta, photo bhejo beta. And I sent him my mugshot as my photo. Ki bhej do aage jisko
That was
bhejni hai.
very savage.
That was my first ever attempt at
Exactly.
telling him that I do not want to get married right now, at least. Second time he asked. I told him I'm interested in girls. And then he goes, now my dad is like done with me. The reply he gave me, bro. 4 years later, if I tell him that, oh my god, I'm already married, I think he'll be the happiest person on this planet. I told him, मुझे लड़कियों में interest है. And he says, बेटा, लड़की ढूंढेंगे. तू हाँ बोल.
तू बस शादी कर बेटा.
तू हाँ बोल.
तू कुछ भी कर ले, तू बस शादी ही कर. मंडप सजानी है तेरी.
एक बंदा बंदी animal, anything is gonna work at this point.
बस
Tree
वो
is also gonna work.
बस वो ये करना है, दारू पीना है और मजे करने हैं.
Oh my god, yeah. And this is what it's been hovering around my head for so long. And when I tell him, or tell anyone, oh, I don't want to get married, or that this is not something in my plan right now. I want other different things in life. I want something else. This is not what I see in my near future. Oh, but what about your biological clock? Is the question that I get.
Like, girl,
Biological
chronological clock, biological clock.
clock.
Like, which clock is this? I want to see it. Amazon में खरीद नहीं सकते क्या? I want to see this on the wall. My biological clock is running out. Oh shit, मेरी तो मौत आने वाली है.
I mean,
Fast forward.
Even if they're concerned about the biological clock, there are many other ways you can have kids. Like, you don't have to think about you can do, like, you can freeze your eggs, you can do adoption, you can do so many things. You don't have,
just adopt a dog.
if I want to have a kid, I will have a kid, but I don't, like, it's on my terms and my time. You cannot say that, okay, abhi, this is your biological clock, you're 26, you have to get married, you have to have kids. That's
ये mindset आ जाती है ना कि हम बोल रहे हैं कि yeah we can freeze eggs and all that, we find ways around it. ये idea आ जाता है कि भाई हमारे जमाने में तो हमने बस बोल दिया तो किया. उनको कैसे पता होता है कि ये freezing eggs, IVF, intro fertilization, whatever it's called, right? उनको तो ज्यादा whatever, you got my point, man. Okay, उनको पता नहीं होता ना, तो they're basing it off of what they've seen, what they understand. But now telling us कि तुम्हारे chronological वाला या biological वाला clock खत्म हो रहा है doesn't make it right.
it's just an excuse
Hey,
most of the time.
no, more of a convincing method, less of
Yeah.
an excuse, but more of a बेटा तुम्हारा biological clock खत्म हो रहा है देख लो क्या क्या करोगे.
And the worst part of it all is, like, I'm 26 years old. If I'm discussing business with you, तो मैं बच्ची हूँ. If I'm asking you कि पापा अच्छा, like, what did you do for the sales, or what did you, like, profit कितना हुआ, like, what was the percentage, and I get the reply, अबे तू बच्ची है, देखो समझ नहीं आएगा. But I'm old enough to get married and produce babies.
Exactly, make it
And
make sense.
I'm old enough to like run a household, like I'm expected to.
Like, you tired.
ऐसे
I will
हाथ
give-
में घूम के
I-
लेके
Sorry.
I trust you to have the house keys, but I don't trust you with business and shit.
Yeah, I mean, that's bullshit. I call you bullshit. But it's all so stupid. Like, why these pressures in the first place? Why can't I become a businesswoman and then think about marriage or having kids like a man is expected to?
Yeah.
Like, a man is told कि पहले कुछ बन जा, फिर तेरी शादी करनी है, फिर तू बच्चे कर लेगा, फिर तेरी family planning हो जाएगी. Why can't I do the same thing? Why can't I achieve my goals first?
Yeah.
And if you question that, people usually say, अरे उनका तो चलता ही रहेगा, उनका तो biological clock है ही नहीं.
Exactly.
You are basically trapped here, and they also have time.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
but then that's not okay. That's not equal.
Exactly.
Which,
और इक्वालिटी की तो बात ही मत करो, आजकल के जमाने में होती नहीं है, उस जमाने में भी नहीं होती रहती थी. The one thing that I want to point out that is, okay, especially for women, we are born into this world with a pre-planned thought of how our life is going to go. Biological clock, right? Telling us कि अच्छा इस साल तक she's gonna study, इस साल तक she's gonna get a job. Okay, अब corporate हो गया, अब उसको समझ आ गया, वो adult बन चुकी है, अब बच्चा पैदा करो, get married. Now you have to take care of the husband. Why are we taking care of the husband? उनका तो खुद का, like, they have their own high standards all the time. They are raised in a certain way कि they can go do whatever they want. So why are we taking care of them? Why can't they make the food around the house? Why can't they understand कि if I don't want to have a child yet with you, I'll marry you. Sure, मेरे time पे. But if I don't want to have a child yet, if I want to go work, I want to make money, I want to be out there making my own name like you, so that my child that's born, I can show them that your mom is like this. You can also do it. Making an own image for yourself. If I'm showing my kid कि भाई मैं तो घर पे ही हूँ और मैं काम करती हूँ, what image am I putting in front of them? Yeah, okay, the dad does it as well, but it should be shown equally. Not to mention, yes, this is definitely shown. It happens today. My parents are like that. My parents are both working. My mom is a working woman. And I've been raised in a way where I've been told that make your life first. Make yourself financially good so that you can success and be yourself on your life. You don't have to be dependent on anyone. I've been taught that at a very young age. Not, that's what I'm saying, not to disagree. But there's two different views, two different point of views. But even with her, even with your family, you've told me that they're still modern, they still understand, they're still growing, progressive, they're understanding it. But when it comes to this specific topic, I think it becomes so personal and comfortable that understanding a new way of looking at it is another issue on its own. They don't understand it, which is why we go back into the same cycle of this woman taboos that you can't. You have to get married now. Your biological cycle is ending over, right?
It's just that, bro, बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. अगर मुझे बच्चे करने होंगे ना, तो मैं सबको बता के कर लूंगी चाहे कि आज मेरा प्लान है करने का. मेरी मर्जी है ना.
Yeah.
मेरी मर्जी है. Why am I? And the worst part is, if I share this out in open, I am made to feel like selfish. Like you're selfish. You shouldn't be doing this. This is not right. I'm made to feel guilty that I'm committing a crime. कि भाई मेरे को बच्चे नहीं पैदा करने हैं तो मैंने क्राइम कर लिया, मुझे जेल भेज दो. ऐसे नहीं होता. मेरी मर्जी है. मुझे जब करने होंगे मैं करूंगी, नहीं करने होंगे नहीं करूंगी. जितने करने हैं उतने करूंगी.
एक वो लाइन होता है ना, मेरी बॉडी मेरी चॉइस.
हाँ.
तो वो मेरी बॉडी मेरी चॉइस, मेरे को जो करना है करना है.
Like people don't even know what a woman goes through when she's having a baby.
Exactly.
Nobody knows the process.
Opinion is very true, and people kind of like contradict and be like, that's not true, but it actually is true. If you don't have a uterus, you would never know how it feels, how it, like, the pain, the suffering, and everything. It's very specific.
Yeah.
So
But even moms are telling us कि बेटा अब शादी कर लो. उनके पास तो यूट्रस है, तो उनको समझ क्यों नहीं आता कि अभी मैं हमको करना नहीं है.
You know, this is a very good point.
Yeah.
Because our moms are also like,
condition.
मैं ना एक बात हमेशा बोलती हूँ, like no offense to anyone, but they have been brought up and they settled for the opinion of the society.
Yeah.
They settled. Now they want us to settle as well, instead of telling us कि bro मत करो, जो तुम्हारा मन करता है वो करो.
Yeah.
उनके मन में जो आइडियोलॉजी है ना, वो हमें भी पास ऑन करना चाहते हैं कि ठीक है ऐसे ही होता है. ऐसे, दिस इज द नॉर्म ऑफ द सोसाइटी. ऐसे ही होता है, नहीं तो तुम्हारी जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगी. You will be that old weird lady with birds as pets.
Birds as pets. I have 7 कुत्ते, bro.
Yeah, you'll be given a tag. Somewhat, कुछ ना कुछ tag मिल जाएगा. Oh, the lady who does this. Oh, the woman who didn't have kids. Oh, the woman who couldn't have kids. It is just endless.
Yeah.
It is endless. So please do whatever you like. Do what your heart says.
Yeah.
If you want to have kids, good, for sure, go ahead. I mean, me and Asta were having a conversation one day, like how badly she wants to be a mom. We were having this conversation.
That sounds, okay. No, but yeah, I do have.
Oh, is this the baby fever thing?
No, it's not a baby fever. I
I
thought it
know,
was
I
a
have
baby
baby
fever,
fever, bro.
but I always, okay, this is gonna be very personal, but okay. I know it's gonna I know it's gonna sound that I'm like, I don't know how to explain this, but it's not baby fever. It's like something that I genuinely think and feel that I've been feeling even as a kid. I was like, I want to be a mother.
You want to you want to pass on that nurturing feeling.
Yeah,
Like you
yeah.
want to nurture
Exactly.
someone, and that's right. It's
I-
your choice.
because
You
I
can
grew
obviously
up
do that.
around like younger kids and not taking care of them, but like, yeah, being
Yeah.
around them.
Being
So
the mature one in a bunch of
Yes.
kids.
so I always wanted to still like do it. Even today I'm like, okay, I can still take care of people, but that doesn't mean that I don't want to do other things. I just want to have kids.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
That nurturing वाला जो आदत आ जाती है ना, I know आदत, that nurturing feeling that naturally you've been born with and you've seen, you've understood, you've
Mhm.
seen, like, and every mom is different, they nurture every different way, right? Hospitality wise, there's
Yeah.
so many ways, but that feeling when you grow up and you see that, "Acha, my mom is also doing this," naturally in any woman, even in men, the nurturing can
Yes.
come, right? It's just about what you learn.
Hmm.
Now that feeling that sticks with you, absolutely. If you want to become a mom, you want to pass it on. I completely agree.
Hmm.
I've been around younger kids as well, and my little cousins, I consider them like my children.
Mhm.
I'm like, I love them. I will spoil them. I'm
Yeah.
that type of person. I'm like, I want to have children
Mm.
to understand and to make them feel that, like, I'm also here for you, to show that I understand
Mm.
a lot of how you're working, even if it comes to like boyfriends. Even with a boyfriend, one time I was like, he went out of the dorm for a second, and I came back, and I was just I was putting stuff away and all that. this man was smiling for 4 hours. He's like, you did this? He's like, he was just so happy about it. And then Chanak said, like, when we're sleeping, I'm tapping his head. You know how like mom puts you to sleep and all that. Those nurturing habits naturally come into your body, and it's completely okay.
It's something that you have love for.
Exactly.
So you're going to show affection, you're going to show care for them,
Yeah.
or whatever it is. So
You know,
it's just, yeah, it's nature.
If I were to label nurturing as a word, I would say it's peace. I think the feeling and understanding that you can nurture somebody and that you can give them comfort is so peaceful in your soul that you're making a good like a good difference for them, that is helping them, you know. And it's not like helping in the sense like yo मैंने ये साफ कर दिया मैंने वो साफ, no, just in the sense that you're making them feel like I'm okay the way I am, and you're bringing calmness to their mind.
And it just simply means that you have a lot of love to give and to share. और strangers के साथ कितना ही कर लोगे. अगर तुम्हारे पास like you feel like okay यार now I want somebody जिसको मैं irritate कर सकूं, like I can go all the time. पति को कितना कर लोगे, friends को कितना ही कर लोगे, strangers को कितना ही कर लोगे. If you have that feeling in you, then it's completely normal to have kids. And I applaud you. कि you have that clarity. Some women don't. Some like right now I'm in that phase कि fuck no kids, what the hell. No, because अभी मुझे मैं खुद ही इतनी messed up हूँ अपनी life में हर जगह, like मैं एक बच्चे की क्या care करूँगी. That's what my thinking is right now. But that's not for everyone, and it's okay. Like let them live with their choice.
No, but I even applaud you, even though that you have that idea of clarity that you don't want to have it. That's also important.
That's also,
You know, knowing the idea that no, I can't take care of a kid right now. I'm not in the sense to. That's very important, right? Agar you listen to your parents, let's say you get a kid. If you're mentally not ready to do, how are you gonna do it?
Exactly.
But you know what? I've also heard this. I'm not gonna say who I've heard this from, but I also heard this that if you say that you don't want kids, some people might also say, "Abhi now you don't want, na आगे जाके you will want."
Yeah.
That is also a thing.
Yeah.
And people like to change ho jayegi. You'll
Yeah.
learn. You'll want kids after you get married or something.
Yeah.
Which is if it's not meant for me, if I don't want it, I don't want it.
Yeah, that's a social norm. That's what's been considered normalized.
Exactly.
कि अगर तू अभी बच्ची है, तेरे को अभी नहीं चाहिए, then that's fine. But let's say you become 30. At that time, what are you gonna do with your life? Right? At that time, you're gonna want something. I'll get a dog.
You want a family. You want to have.
I'll get
kids.
7 dogs.
Plus, I also want to talk about women who can't have babies.
Yeah.
Bro,
Exactly.
the
Oh my God.
pressure on them.
Yeah, it's unreal.
The pressure on women who are unable to like produce babies
Yeah.
just because they're god, everybody is god gifted ना. हमारे तो कल्चर में बोलते हैं कि भाई सारे लोग भगवान के लोग हैं,
Yeah.
भगवान ने बना के भेजे हैं, तो किसी को बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत करो.
Yeah.
The women who go through that, who can't have babies, oh my god, that's terrible, bro. I used to have this woman in my life back in India. I'm not gonna tell who it is, but she was a powerful woman. She had her own business. She was thriving. She was making good money, good loads of. She was making money more than her husband. But the only thing was that she couldn't have babies.
And that became like her whole tagline.
That
Label.
yeah, and you know how she was recognized? Oh, she's a businesswoman who can't have babies.
Man, like
I
why?
felt so bad, bro. उसकी लाइफ की अचीवमेंट देखो तुम
Yeah.
कि भाई वो बंदी सिंगल हैंडेडली पूरी दुनिया खा जाएगी
Yeah.
और किसी को पता भी नहीं लगेगा, और तुम्हें सिर्फ ये पड़ा है कि she can't have a baby.
And think about कितना.
And it limits a woman's achievements to this one
One
thing.
thing.
Exactly.
कि तुम बच्चा पैदा करो, that is your biggest achievement.
That's all you can, bro. Think about how much manhood she put into getting to that business. You know, making her name out there. This day, the market, the way that people can manipulate, switch everything. There's so many things that can happen out in there. It's so difficult to be like, ये business uska hai. Getting noticed like that.
Exactly, and you're dealing with like shitloads of men on a regular basis who think you're good for nothing, and
And-
dealing with them in like a manner कि भाई
तू जा.
कि बस मेरे सामने
don't
ये
know.
attitude मत दिखाओ फालतू
Exactly.
का. So that is also such a big achievement. कि
That's
some-
power.
Yeah,
bro. Powerment.
That's power, and I felt so bad for her because वो एक टाइम ऐसा था कि वो डिप्रेशन में चली गई थी बहुत ज्यादा, and उसने अपना करियर खत्म कर लिया डिप्रेशन में. And oh my god, I felt so bad for her, so bad. She was so good at what she did, so good at what she did, बट इसी सोसाइटी की नॉर्म्स में लोगों की बातें सुन सुन के उसने like she almost like ended everything in her life, good thing in her life, just because she couldn't have a baby. Just
Oh,
because that, and I felt so bad, and I really wanna like talk to those women, like women who are going through this. You are not alone. Don't ever feel like you're being cornered or you are less or you're derived of something.
yeah, absolutely.
Sorry, deprived of something.
Derived.
Deprived of a luxury or whatever you want to call it. No, it's your body.
Yeah.
Worship it like it yours.
Bro, Bhagwan.
भाड़े पे नहीं ली हुई है body.
Exactly. Bhagwan has given you one body, one heart, one soul. He's given to you. You are the remote control of your body. Okay? You get to choose how this way steers, if it goes this way, if it goes up, if it goes down, if it goes into the road. Your decision in
There are
life.
we are in 21st century.
Yeah.
बहुत options हैं.
Yeah.
Go out there.
Yeah.
Talk to people, talk to therapists, talk to counselors who can guide you towards these options that you can take. Don't feel less about yourself.
Yeah.
Never. Never do that.
Never do. And I mean, one like common thing that always happens with everybody at one point in their life is bullying. Okay, we've all been through a stage where we have been bullied. Absolutely. Okay. In that sense, what's the one thing a therapist will always tell you? Don't fall under pressure. Your parents will even tell you, don't fall under pressure. If your parents are telling you there, if anyone else is telling you there not to fall under pressure, it applies in the same way. Maybe this is not bullying, but this is definitely a sense of just being pushed into a direction. It's the same norm, it's the same feeling. You are your own person. You make your own decisions. Have it the other person accept it or not, you live with your decisions that you have made. That's it. And that should be it. Right? Your parents, whoever it is, they can be concerned for you. They can absolutely be concerned for you. They can for sure think, acha, agar ye ho gaya to 100%. But you have to, and they also have to understand that, okay, she's doing it. If something happens, I'll have her back. Usko bachcha nahi ho raha, that's okay. We will figure it out. She's nothing less. It's important. And I'm not just saying to you guys, yes, 100%, don't feel pressured. Even to other people, even to parents.
It also brings up a lot, like a different topic as well that I am thinking about is that some people know it before marriage.
Yeah.
That okay, this is something wrong, like not wrong, but there's this thing,
Issue.
there's this thing with her, there's this issue with her, or
Yeah.
there's this thing wrong with her.
That goes apparently in your bio data as well.
Yes, it
In
goes.
arranged marriages, like, okay, labeled as she can't have kids under that section.
Yes.
labels in biodata, bro. Come on. Like,
And it also, bro, people don't want to get married to such women.
Exactly.
It is so sad.
it's like pests.
Yeah, untouchable है या कुछ.
वो रिजेक्ट हो जाए, वो जाएगा भी नहीं कोई इसके पास.
Nobody is gonna take it up only.
No.
कि भाई मतलब नहीं हो पाएगा. And if they don't tell it before marriage and you find out after getting married, then उनके साथ apparently धोखा हुआ
धोखा
है.
हुआ है, as if it was a business deal.
Yeah.
Exactly. Business deal, guys. Shadi is not a business.
No, but people do say that marriage is a business
Okay,
deal.
chalo, fine, but not like
We
this.
literally started.
Yeah. Not like this. No, it's not like a sauda where you've done a transaction 1, transaction 2. आप हमने शादी की मेरे को बच्चा दो. It's not like that. man.
What if somebody just doesn't want to get married?
Exactly. Exactly. Like,
I am speaking for experience. I don't want to get married, like not at all. At least not for the next 10 years at least. But मुझे पता है मुझे करनी पड़ेगी.
but what's your purpose? What's your goal on why you don't want to get married?
I don't want to get married because the taboos around marriage are very.
Forget taboos. Tell me why you're telling me that नहीं मेरे को अभी शादी क्यों नहीं करना? कौन सा
अभी मुझे शादी इसलिए नहीं करनी because right now I'm nowhere in life.
Okay.
I'm still here and there, everywhere.
That's fair.
I don't have a career. I don't have an income source. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है अभी. मेरे पास अपना like I can't say okay this is mine or this is what I've earned or this is what I make or this is what I've achieved. Nothing. I'm nothing right now. And until and unless I can say okay I check 3 out of these boxes, I'll say okay now I can maybe find someone.
Okay, but say let me tell you one thing. You're not nothing. You're progressing. You are something. don't label yourself as nothing.
Nothing, yes.
You are
exactly.
definitely doing something. You're doing something for that goal that you
Yes,
want to
I'm
achieve.
working towards it.
Absolutely.
I'm working towards it. Yeah,
But you need
100%.
your time.
I need my time because right now I don't think I can get married.
yeah,
like,
that's
what's-
okay. Man, like
I never. It's
Yeah.
not even in my checklist.
शादी की एक mindset भी होती है कि अच्छा now I'm gonna spend my life with this person and I want to nurture them. I want to take care of them
It's
as
a
well.
commitment.
It's
It's
a
not
huge
like
thing.
you're just like okay, sign okay, and that's it.
Bro, dating is a commitment. So
Exactly.
शादी is a commitment. So if you're not ready for the commitment, why would you sign the paper?
It's very complicated because people do think that ये हो गया एक बार just you're married then you're done,
Yeah.
you're settled, you're done in life,
Exactly.
but it's actually so much. You have,
So many
especially for
things.
women,
Yeah.
marriage is such a big thing because we think like you have to adjust with
You have to
settle down with
Exactly.
the other family even though you
Exactly.
don't live with them. It's still a new family,
Exactly.
and the man is not going doing the same thing. It's just you have to be the bahu, and you know
you've compromised.
Yeah, you
आपकी जिम्मेदारी है
अभी
compromise
मैं
करना है.
दूसरी माँ हूँ तेरी
Yeah,
वगैरह,
भाई.
but you don't act like the दूसरी माँ, you act like a सासू माँ.
There's so much. Okay, that's separate. That's in like desi politics.
Yeah.
But there is a lot of things, guys.
In-house politics.
There's a lot of things, and marriage is not a simple task. Just like dating is not a simple task, marriage is not a simple task.
You are literally like if a woman says that I don't want, I'm not ready to get married. I don't want to get married. She's been called, but you'll always be incomplete without a man.
Yeah.
Bro, when I have like crores in my bank, you think I'll need a man?
It doesn't matter anymore. Okay, let's move on from that. Anyway, okay. Yes.
You know what I want to talk about?
No, what do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about if you want to stay, if we want to stay single, it's okay. I don't think there should
Yeah.
be
For sure, dating.
like I'm talking personally, in my opinion, if I am okay with staying single my whole life and having 2 cats and 1 dog or whatever, and maybe a kid, who knows. It's not necessary. Even like for divorced women, it's such a big thing that oh, she's divorced. Like her life is over. That's it. That's it. If you're single, if you don't get ever married, हो गया इसका. There's nothing. Exactly. There's nothing happening in her life. She's just a boring woman or whatever. But
And there must be something wrong with her that she's not getting married. She got divorced. What's wrong with her?
but if the
No one
same
questions the
thing
man.
if the same thing happens with a man, it's like oh, he's just living his life.
Or maybe he's too driven.
Yes.
He's too driven.
Too occupied.
Right now he's focusing on his goals, guys.
Focusing on himself. I'm like,
Goals.
so अगर हम करते तो हमको bash क्यों होता है? Why are we bashed for focusing on ourselves?
Exactly. We get,
But they lavishly can do whatever they want in life. हम इंसान नहीं है. भगवान ने इंसान ही तो बनाया है. हम woman या man हो makes no difference. It's just that's a completely like that's society norms for you guys.
Women are questioned all the time like फैमिली कब बनाओगे अगर शादी नहीं करोगे ये फैमिली नहीं बनेगी हाउ विल यू कंप्लीट योर लाइफ विदाउट हैविंग अ फैमिली जबकि फैमिली का मीनिंग ही नहीं पता लोगों को
Exactly.
people don't know the meaning of family. They think 4 human beings, 2 parents, 2 kids make a family. No. Family is supposed to be a space and it is called making love, right? It's not supposed to be planned. It's supposed to happen out of love.
Yeah.
और मेरे को ये क्या क्वेश्चन है बार बार when are you planning your family like my brother just got married last year. I was talking to my sister-in-law and she's already like facing so many people telling her oh have a kid, oh when are you planning to have a kid.
Yeah.
Like bro I'm pissed on her behalf.
Yeah.
Like do it whenever you feel right
Yeah.
or when it happens naturally.
it's not your body, it's not your life to decide when the other person
And
is
just
going
because
to
you are
have
bored in your own life
exactly.
you want to make other people
No, especially aunties when they're like
Yeah.
अरे बच्चा दे दो तो you know
No,
our life is also going to be
दे दो।
like हमारे बच्चे हो गए बड़े
अब
and
हमें
then-
खेलने के लिए टॉय चाहिए
Exactly.
हम
कुत्ता लो,
बोर
बिल्ली लो, चूहा लो, कुछ भी ले लो, बच्चा ही क्यों bro? Why बच्चा? बच्चा is a cute thing. Go to the adoption center, get a बच्चा if you want from there. Go to the adoption center, get a कुत्ता.
honestly that's also a big thing. Like there are so many kids.
Oh, वो हमारा खून का नहीं है. खून is thicker than water.
that is also another
That's
topic.
another thing. I'm like, guys, if you guys are bored, go dance. Go to a park.
there is always something or the other
there's always, a
always
reason.
something or the other that
Exactly.
they'll find in you, and then they'll start talking about it at kitty parties or at like some events that you go to, and there's aunties are like, oh अब तो time हो गया, अब तो बच्चा पैदा
No,
कर लो,
because-
नहीं फिर पहला हो जाए फिर दूसरा कर लो,
No, because yeah, women
फिर
are
लड़की हो
born,
जाए तो लड़का कर लो.
women are bought into the family to make for a very specific reason, not as a beti, not as a for technically a maid.
And when a man is having like, okay, so a man and woman have a kid together, right? So if a man has a baby, he's creating his legacy. A woman has a baby, she is just doing her duty. She is doing her duty of making a family. Get a life. Bro, guys, get a life. Get a life. Bro, family बहुत complicated होती है, family में बहुत कुछ होता है. Bro, मेरे तो
Smooth sailing कभी नहीं होता.
No,
Yes.
family, honestly, at this point, family doesn't even have to be blood. It can literally
It
be.
does not have to
these
be.
guys are my
Your
families.
family's connection.
These guys are my
Exactly.
family.
It's your
They're not
place
even my
where
blood.
you're safe.
Let me tell you
feel
something.
safe.
Safe space.
I'll
Safe
make a
space.
reference. Rocky or Rani, I don't know if you guys have seen the movie Rocky or Rani, but there is a scene where he's confronting the grandma and the dad, right? The dad was getting mad at his mom basically, and he was saying ki acha, but there is one woman that disrespected that disrespected his dad, so he let go of her. But now that dad was disrespecting the mom, so he said, I'm gonna have to let go of you. He goes to the grandma, and the grandma saying, you're not my blood, you can't be my blood. He says that, no, I am your blood, but the issue is I've made connections with my heart, not with blood. Blood के connections और दिल के connections बहुत अलग होते हैं. दिल के connections are made with effort, with energy. Blood के connections तो, and if you're my blood, if you do something wrong, if you're a criminal, yes, I still will love you to death. Let's say if you're my like, brother, if you're my dad, whatever. But that doesn't mean that just because you're my blood, कि हमारा इतना connection है. बनाना पड़ता है. Even after being born, parents give raise to they're still putting in effort to make sure the kid understands कि नहीं भाई, you're important. We love you, right?
Family is not. It's not just people. It's
Exactly.
a feeling.
Exactly.
It's a space, like your house.
Yeah.
You don't
No
call it house. It's a
judgments,
home.
no pressure of being always perfect around family, and the things we get from our families are the things that we least expect our families to give. Like, for example, my parents telling me, oh, now पढ़ाई खत्म करके शादी कर लेना. No, give me time. I want to be something. I want to like, मैं बचपन से बोलती आई हूँ कि I want to be somebody someday जिसका नाम गूगल पे मिलता हो. This is what I wanted to be. और अगर मेरे को वो चांस ही नहीं मिल रहा, अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही, just because I'm trying to be a good daughter by settling down, then that doesn't mean कि भाई मैं जो आप कहोगे मैं वही कर लूंगी. No, जमाना बदल गया, मैं बदल गई हूँ, वक्त बदल गया, जज्बात बदल गए, हालात बदल गए.
Exactly. You don't have to do like I think I've always said this to you guys.
And the role, sorry to cut you off.
Yeah.
And the role of a woman in a house. That's the major thing in a family. I was watching this movie yesterday. I was telling her that this movie called Mrs. by Sanya Malhotra, or I don't know what her name is. Yeah. She was. She said this one line in this movie, and oh my god, it stuck to me. कि शादी क्यों करी है? फ्री की मेड और काम कुकी तो मिली है आपको. क्या ही कर रही हूँ? खाना बना रही हूँ, सफाई कर रही हूँ, खाना बना रही हूँ, सफाई कर रही हूँ, खाना बना रही हूँ, सफाई कर रही हूँ. Bro, that's all. That's not all why women get married. There's a lot of other things if they decide to get married.
Absolutely. And I have two things to point out. I think I've always told you guys this. I think anytime that any friend of mine was going through a struggle and they were having a confrontation with their parents, he's like, oh, they want me to do this, they want me to do that. I've always told them something. I'm like, look, your parents have given birth to you. They can absolutely have concern for you, but you are allowed to build your life the way that you like. Okay, it's very important that you do it that way. The second thing I have to do is that I have witnessed between two people. I'm not gonna label who those people were, but between two people, I have seen one person have a very progressed mindset as to not an orthodox mindset, but a partially progressed mindset. That this person thinks that they have made progress. Okay, the one that has made progress has had somebody else tell them, and somebody else explain to them what this generation is like, what we expect and what we understand. Very importantly, like for example, that women are not only made to make food, that they're not only made to do the dishes. It's not, if there's a brother and there's a sister in the house, dono same hi kaam karenge. Kyun ladki sirf karegi? And that person has understood that. Now they hear that if they have a conversation with anybody else and they say the opposite, ki acha no, like abhi to ghar bas aana hai. If that person ever hears it, now that person is telling me ki I don't understand why. Why are they saying this? They shouldn't be raised like this. Now they get it. But
And the worst part of all is that most of the daughters get this from their mothers.
yeah,
Mothers are the one who tell their daughters, "Oh no, you're a girl. You need to learn how to cook.
Mhm.
Oh no, you're a girl. You need to talk in this particular tone.
yeah,
Oh no, you're a girl. You can't wear these clothes."
yeah.
The worst part of it all is a mom, like my mom or anybody else's mom, just because you have settled
Mhm.
for something that you didn't want,
Yeah.
or you think, okay, is the way of life,
Yeah,
doesn't mean it has to be like that.
Yeah.
You can tell your daughter to be independent or the way she is.
Yeah.
Not tell her to go into the depths of being the ideal woman. And
Yeah.
there's no such thing as an ideal woman.
And honestly, I think it's come to this point where in multiple family settings, there are so many. Chalo, we talked about the woman being a label, like the big person of the house, right? No one understands how much a woman goes through in a household.
Yeah.
I guarantee you, majority of the people, the husband, the son, the daughter, maybe not the daughter, but the son and the husband, the men in the house, I guarantee you they don't know half of the stuff that they go through, not just the cooking and the cleaning aspects. Let me come to a very controversial topic that should be talked about that I personally relate to. Periods. Okay? With periods specifically, I know because I'm talking out of personal experience. I know that the men in my house did not know what goes on in a period. And if they did, it was a very brief introduction to it. That, oh, acha, this happens with them. Was it ever talked about in my house? No. It was never talked about, and it was told not to be talked about. Why? All women go through it. The wife goes through it, the daughter's going through it. Why would you not talk about it?
Your
Mom's going through it. Every woman goes through this most difficult phase in life. It is so difficult. And this I watched a comedian, a stand-up comedian, Pranav Sharma. He had said at the end of it, one of his bits, that why can't we understand as men? Why can't we understand that if a girl meets a guy during that 1 week of time where they're going through so much pain, that they should be able to say, "I'm fine. I have my boyfriend. I have my brother. I'm okay." That should be normalized. But instead, what has been normalized is, "Acha, she's just overreacting. She's on her period."
She's overreacting probably because she's PMSing.
Like,
She is being overly sensitive today. Are you PMSing?
exactly. It's
Is it that time of the month?
it's like, if it is that time of the
Only if
month,
I had $1 for every time somebody said it to me.
every time, and I'm like, even if it is that type of the month, what are you doing about it to help me? Why are you just stating that it's that type of the month? Okay, I could not even ask. Like, I know several people in my life that have gone through this. They can't ask their brother nor their dad for a tampon because they don't know what it is, or if they don't know what it is, then they don't know what type to buy. Or even better, उनको शर्म आती है खरीदने में. They're shy.
The topic
They're
is just
embarrassed.
dismissed.
They feel that, okay, this girl is on her period, she's dirty, we can't touch her. Bro,
Women are not allowed to go into a kitchen or a temple when they're on the period
exactly.
because they're considered dirty.
When the temple thing is actually different, there's the actual spiritual reasons why you can't go. through it
Yeah,
because of
but
the hormone.
like
But
in a kitchen.
normalized in social society, that's what it's known for.
It's kitchen. It's also I had like friends who used to tell me that you can't go into the kitchen. You cannot. You sleep differently. Your mattress and your everything, like odnega, like your blankets and everything is all different. You are isolated for that whole week. Even though you are in school, when I heard this, I was in school, and imagine they were going to that, and I was in my household. I'm sleeping in my bed with my parents, but with them it was like such a big thing, and that was very weird to me. But now thinking about that, that happens to probably so many women, and we don't realize it.
They treat us like hum gande, right? That we're dirty. When you're having sex, when you're making love with that person, are they dirty then? Us time pe everything's okay. Why is it that when there's blood coming out of the body, which by the way is absurdly painful, okay? We don't just have cramps. We don't just have cravings. Our body is changing. It's growing. There's pain everywhere in the body. Your mind, your hormonal mindset gets so bad. People can get depressed in 1 week
There
just
is.
because of your period.
I genuinely
I do also still think that I had PMDD for a big time, and PMDD is premenstrual depressive disorder, which happens like 2 weeks before your periods, which you normally think it's just PMS, but it's actually like you are done with life. You want to just end your life, and had a big phase. So that also is not. No, people don't know. Even women don't know. I don't think my mom maybe, but
A lot of
women
women don't know about
know
this.
about it
Yeah.
because we usually say, "Oh,
PMS.
PMSing, whatever. I'm crying just because I'm gonna get my period in 2
And
days."
this is so wrong. As women, we have also normalized कि हम बस PMSing कर रहे हैं.
Because we are
Imagine.
conditioned, yeah, wired.
Like we know, well, psychologically and mentally, we know कि नहीं, like okay, this is we are PMSing, we are going through shit, but we know that's not PMSing.
Why am I thinking of dying? Of just ending my whole life right like 2 days before or 2 weeks before my period, when in reality PMS is not that bad.
It's not.
It's okay, you have emotions or heightened hormones, but that is not okay. Like
Yeah.
there is something
Absolutely.
wrong and you should look into it.
Absolutely. And also, not to mention, I just realized, okay, you're saying that you get PMDD for the 2 weeks prior to your period, right? So imagine, 2 हफ्ते पहले you have PMDD, फिर एक हफ्ता you have period, फिर उसके बाद ovulation है. भाई पूरा महीने में our hormones are like
And
on
I'm
the scale.
somebody, I have PCOD.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
That is a separate issue altogether.
Exactly. There's so
I am
much.
having period cramps right now, by the way, as we are talking about it, and I can feel my stomach going inside me.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah.
Literally. That's why I got myself coffee, because I needed something. But I can feel my ovaries going this, squeezing everything they have, every ounce of energy and blood they have in them. But as somebody who goes through, I've been through, I still have PCOD. Uncontrollable hunger.
Yeah.
Uncontrollable facial hair.
Mm.
Not knowing why am I having 1500 mood swings in a day.
Absolutely.
Not knowing why I feel so irritated all the time.
Yeah.
Everything is related to a woman's period. Every single thing.
Yeah.
You can't have a baby if you have a period.
Yeah.
Like if you're on a period, that means you're not pregnant.
You're not pregnant.
So do men want to make women pregnant? They run from responsibilities like these.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't want to be you don't want your woman to be pregnant, right? So this is going to happen.
It's a part of the process.
This is going to
और क्या
happen.
होगा? Exactly.
Like there are days जिस दिन मैं भी wish कर रही होती हूँ, एक घंटे के लिए आगे चले क्यों नहीं जाते यार, बता दिया ठीक है you're not pregnant, go fuck off. But now, like if you think about it, my period used to last 10 days.
Yeah.
And oh my god, the flow,
Yeah.
the heavy flow.
Yeah.
There was a time like I used to share my room with my brother,
Mm-hmm.
and sometimes मेरी bed sheet stain हो जाती थी,
Mm.
and I used to get so embarrassed.
Yep.
Like, how do I tell him to like get off the bed so I can change the bed sheet?
Exactly.
How do I tell him that in the middle of the night?
Yep.
And because it's not talked about,
It's
not. He doesn't. My brother is very progressive like that. I
Mm.
can probably talk to him about anything. But this is something I don't think I can tell him, oh, I stained my bed sheet. Can you please get up? Like, I want to change the bed sheet. He'll probably tell me you should be more careful.
उनका flow इतना अलग होता है. Every person's flow is so different. Okay, some don't even get a flow. First of all, some get extra amounts of flow. We could get the heaviest pad that can carry the heaviest flow on this planet. You know, first of all, how uncomfortable it is to feel that, to sit in that.
And the rash you get after.
Like that's what I'm saying. Like like overall, we're basically wearing diapers as adults. Okay.
And the rash you get between your butt cheeks after that, oh my god, that's the most terrible thing. Like, I can.
Yeah, so it's just like overall when someone tells me now, okay, men, y'all always ask why we get annoyed when someone says, oh, but you're just on your period, is it that time of month? This is why we get annoyed, because there is so much going on in a woman's body that you could never understand, that there's an egg passing through the body that's coming out from down there that's causing hormonal imbalance, it's causing vomiting, it's causing back pain, it's everything.
Diarrhea.
We basically go through
Yes, that's such a big thing.
we
That's not talked about.
It's
People
not at all.
don't know.
No, and if we do talk about it, it's disgusting. You don't get diarrhea after eating a mirchi packet of momos.
Like, can you not, you don't get it done?
It does.
I did this today, guys.
It just doesn't stop at cravings and mood swings.
Exactly.
Or just
Everyone.
blood. It's so much more.
Yeah.
It's a whole.
It's so much more. It's a whole world in itself.
And it's 5 days or more than that, or
And
less
when-
than that for different people.
And when a woman is denied to go to to the kitchen because she's going through a period, is tying back to the topic. is just unbelievable. Is unbelievable. ये अगर नहीं भेजना ना किचन में तो रिस्पेक्ट में करो कि भाई नहीं ये तेरे दिन है तू रेस्ट ले. That's what the thinking
be
should
nice
be.
about it,
Absolutely.
or like
Yeah, no, absolutely.
इस रिस्पेक्ट में करो कि नहीं भाई तू रेस्ट कर तेरे दिन है तेरा रेस्ट बनता है. We
Yeah.
already know you're going through so much. Don't sugarcoat it. Don't tell her, oh, you should take rest because you're on your period, so you should go in the kitchen. But deep down, you know why you're saying that.
Exactly. Bro, some people can't get out of their beds. Their cramps are that bad. जब हम बोलते हैं कि भाई हम नहीं उठ सकते, genuinely ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे अंदर कोई तलवार के साथ ऐसे खट से
The first time I got period cramps, because I told you I have PCOD, so my period just showed up randomly anytime,
Yeah.
any moment of the day, any month. It was irregular.
Yeah.
So I जब मेरे regular होने शुरू हुए, after a while, like after doing treatments and everything, I realized the first time I got period cramps, I thought that somebody had broken my ribs.
Yeah.
I thought.
Yeah.
And somebody like punched me in my gut.
Yeah.
Kyunki I didn't know what period cramps look like. Nobody had told me. My mom hadn't told me. I hadn't read about it anywhere because it wasn't talked about.
Yeah.
And I literally begged my mom to take me to the doctor.
Yeah.
कि मुझे डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाओ. There is something wrong in me. Like I can't even move. I can't walk. And I don't know. There's something off. My mom took me to the doctor, and doctor told me just having period cramps. I'm like, what?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Exactly.
These
That's
are
how
what
bad
period
they can
cramps.
get.
And
It's horrible.
my entire gut was ऐसा लग रहा था किसी ने rubber band से बांध दिया है.
Yeah.
It was that bad.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was that.
And
Oh
it
my
goes
god.
on for like hours, man. It does not end.
It doesn't end.
And
No matter how many medicines. If you take medicines, it fucks up your period.
Exactly. And
that too.
also, bro, I like to point one thing out. Okay, we go through so much pain through our period. If we're getting our periods, we're healthy human beings. If we don't get our periods, then there is an issue.
Exactly.
Yet, when
And I cannot. I have the balls to have this conversation on YouTube, but not with the men in my house.
absolutely, and we wanna. That's what we're trying to show you, that you should be able to have this conversation. You can go up to your brother and be like, "Hey, can you please go grab me some tampons or pads from the Save On?"
Normalize it.
Exactly. It needs to. It not. It doesn't. It's not that it has to. It needs to be normalized.
Yeah.
Because we have now gotten so far into our generation.
And we, bhai, I don't get it. I really don't get the sorcery behind. We can talk to our male friends about it so openly. We are not afraid to talk to them about periods at all. They get it. They get everything. They get the fact that even our male friends, if somebody is like in the process of being your boyfriend or is your boyfriend, we can talk about it to them so openly. But we can't talk to our like our fathers or like our brothers.
Yeah, I know boyfriends are buying those gifts. They get us chocolates and teddy bears and all this on our periods and all that. It's been normalized in our generation. But we can't go home and say, Acha, Papa, can you go get me a pad, please? I don't have any more at home. We can't go home and say that. Why? Sharam aati hai. Because we're embarrassed. We're embarrassed about our own body. Be healthy. What type of like cross-sectional hypocrisy is this? Doesn't make any sense.
I think in most
Exactly.
of the households, it is that generational gap that it's like you can't share everything. And yeah,
We term it as like we're not doing it out of respect, but it's not respect. We're not discussing these things or we're not talking about these things out of fear of what my father might say. Or
On top of that, my mom has also told me. She said that like let's not have this conversation. It's making the other person uncomfortable. Uncomfortable.
I am uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. Guys, I am in pain and I'm uncomfortable. What do you mean you're uncomfortable by hearing the conversation? Please. Please. And not to mention, I want to end this topic off of that painkillers.
some people are told that take a painkiller, it's okay, you'll be better. Some people, like she was mentioning, that we're told that we shouldn't take painkillers because it ruins our body.
Yeah.
It's very open and obvious that my mom always says it. She says it for my well-being.
Of course.
She says it like, don't take painkillers because it will ruin your hormonal or
Yeah,
whatever, and
yeah.
it's not good for you. But at the same time, I am in immense pain. I cannot get out of my bed.
Yeah.
I don't want to, like,
Yeah.
everything is messed up.
But we witnessed this. We
Yeah.
literally witnessed you going through it.
I need it. I like, my pain tolerance is high, but at the same time, to a certain extent,
Yeah, exactly.
you cannot go beyond that.
Exactly.
And you need something to calm yourself down.
Yeah.
And I probably also have it's undiagnosed right now, but I probably also have PCOS or PCOD,
Right.
which I don't know about.
Mhm.
But that too. That, like, in my, like, I have to tell my mom,
Exactly.
like, I need to go to a gynaec
Exactly.
to like basically diagnose this.
Yeah.
And that is also, I mean, in my household it's different.
Yeah.
I can talk to my dad, I can tell my dad to get something
Sure.
or the other, but I know it in some households it's not okay.
And when we just like talk about it generally and somebody is not getting our point, मेरी बात ही नहीं समझ रहा है तो मुझे गुस्सा तो आएगा ही ना. और अगर मुझे गुस्सा आ गया तो she's toxic.
Oh,
She is toxic.
female
Is it
rage.
female? Yeah, exactly. Why is female rage such a huge taboo as well?
No, female rage.
She's toxic, or she's overreacting,
Or she's insane.
or she's insane, or she probably didn't get enough last night.
Or she's tired. Or she just mentally is not. She's just mentally not well. She's going through a lot in life.
No, but why is a angry woman, which you don't understand why she's angry, you
Yeah.
don't want to understand.
Exactly.
She's just crazy.
Exactly. Hey, we've been dignified that we're
She
crazy.
has a point, but
Yeah.
she's just crazy. But if a man brings that topic out and be like, okay, blah blah blah, I'm angry about this. Oh, he's sensible. He understands different.
Exactly.
A woman's.
उसपे बहुत pressure है.
हाँ, exactly.
उसपे life का बहुत pressure है. क्योंकि उसको अपने who has the bigger one, they have to prove it.
उसको समझ आ रहा है, वो कोशिश भी कर रहा है समझ, like to tell the person that we understand.
He's progressive.
Guys,
Am I not progressive?
Guys, first of all, let me tell you something. Women's mindset mature faster than men's mindset. We are much more progressive to a certain extent. If we are telling you something, I am guaranteeing you later on, 2 weeks or a month later, he's gonna agree with exactly what I was saying. But उस time में because we're mad and हमारा anger बहुत मिर्ची के साथ होता है, उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि भाई मेरे को इससे बात ही नहीं करनी, communication तो होती नहीं है, बस करो उसको, just push her to a side. She's not done. I don't want to have this conversation with her anymore. And there are men obviously that have conversations, which I respect to a very great extent.
But even for that, if men are also like representing women and
Yeah.
in support of women, they are called simp. They
Right,
are
exactly.
called, like, oh, he's pallu pakad ke
Exactly.
घूमता है उसका,
और what is
or
that?
something.
वो अपनी औरत के नीचे लगा हुआ है, कैसे का आदमी है. और जब औरत एक मर्द के नीचे लग रही है तो वो तो वैसे ही, that's the norm of the society.
Like, if a husband stands up for his wife in front of his
In-laws,
family, then he's like, हाँ इसके पीछे चला गया, इसका सुन
Wife
रहा
की
है,
बातों में आ
हाँ,
गया
wife की
है.
बातों में, exactly.
And the one thing that I've never understood, I respect any guy that if you're in a situation with family and there's a situation going on with the family and your wife, that you separately go talk to them and you do not say it in front of them, right? As an entire thing. No matter if both of the women are enraging themselves, okay, you talk to them separately. But uske baad, if you come outside and they're asking, the rest of the family is asking you ki acha kya hua, and they end up saying uska chal raha hai, she's just, she's like this. Excuse me, she's like this? No, she's not like this. She has a point to why she's being mad. Why have you fully overpassed it? Just because they're your family, because you can't tell them the truth. Why?
And then
You have another woman in the house. उनका सच तो आप बता सकते हो, मेरी क्यों नहीं?
there's a lot of like talk about how women are supposed to sit.
Yeah.
Apparently,
Like
the posture.
poise of
The
them.
women etiquette. There
The
are literally
etiquette,
classes
Yeah.
where women go to
Elegance.
just, I mean, I understand to a certain extent everybody wants that feeling of being very confident in
Feminine
themselves,
and all that,
feminine. But when people say it out loud, oh, how are you sitting? This is not how girls
Yeah.
sit.
This is
Or
not how you're supposed to laugh. This is
Yeah,
not how you're
why-
supposed to
yeah.
talk. You're supposed to talk in a very softer tone. Abhi fuck you.
You're not supposed to abuse.
You're not supposed to
That is very
abuse. You're not supposed to
masculine.
have tattoos.
Abusing is masculine. Does it make it correct? They're allowed to abuse. It's masculine.
But the abuses are based on females.
Exactly. Like, what type of hypocrisy is this? Can you
Guys.
understand? This is our society, guys. Cursing is masculine, but the cursing itself is feminine. Explain this. But makes no sense. Okay.
Like, I'm not supposed to talk in a manner. My mom was telling me the other day, I had a fight with my mom, and I was like, bro, like, okay, everybody has an amount of patience, and if people who know me, they know that I have a lot of patience when it comes to relationships.
Yeah.
I am the most patient person ever. But if you test my patience, मेरी भी उतनी है ना, फिर मेरी भी सटकेगी. My mom keeps asking me the same thing again and again and again and again, and she's been asking the same thing for 1 year now, every single day. हो गया मेरा खत्म. Like, I can't listen to it anymore. And you know what she told me in return? ऐसी बात करेगी ना तो तेरी शादी नहीं होगी. मैं तो टॉलरेट कर लूंगी, कोई और नहीं करेगा.
I'm
किसी
not
को
getting-
टॉलरेट कराना ही नहीं है मुझे.
And I'm not getting
और जिसको
very-
नहीं करना वो जाए बाहर में.
Exactly. Accept me for who I am. मैं
Yeah.
जैसी हूँ मैं वैसी हूँ. Understand करो कि अच्छा अगर by okay look, this is the thing. There's a perspective that I've understood कि हर इंसान के अंदर हाँ selfishness होती है, एक level की होती है, and there's a self priority that you put, which is completely okay. But the issue is that everyone thinks कि वो सही है, that they're खुद, that they're only right. No one is willing to understand कि अच्छा maybe there's a reason to why they're saying something or they're doing something. If she's getting mad, maybe it's not the person's fault I'm getting mad at specifically. I could be mad about something that happened at work. I'm taking it on you. No one is willing to understand कि अच्छा, let me ask her क्या हुआ.
जैसे लड़कियों को गुस्सा आना अलाउड ही नहीं है.
Exactly. अगर
You're
हम
not allowed to get angry just because you are a girl.
exactly.
You're born with a vagina instead of a dick
And
and boobs.
उनके पास कौन सा पावर है जो वो गुस्सा हो सकते हैं? कौन सा पावर है भाई? मास्कुलिन तो मतलब क्या हो गया भाई? एक मैन हो गया तो हमारे पास जो हमको चिल्लाना है, हमको गाली देना है, हमको जो भी करना है जिंदगी में
It's
कर
just that
सकते हैं.
females are like, women are not allowed to get angry over anything. Let's just sum it at that. Female rage is toxic. If you are a toxic woman, then you won't be a good wife. Then you won't have good children.
You know what I just
बस एक औरत की जिंदगी सम कर दी मैंने.
And
यही
I-
खत्म हो जाएगी.
and I just want to point one thing out. In this entire process, label पे label पे label.
Yeah.
हर labels. एक in for a man, they have no label.
They have
They
no
don't
labels.
need labels. That's what I'm saying.
They make the labels.
Exactly.
They are just
They are the creators of labels. They make the labels. That's why they
Exactly.
they are the ones who will call it, and then it just goes on from generations to generations. It
That's
goes
the
to men to women, and then the same thing mothers also say to their own daughters, and
And we think
that's
it's
how.
normal now कि अच्छा हाँ ये तो ऐसी है, ये तो
Exactly.
वैसी है. I'm like भाई, I've heard other families, like not my family, but I've heard other people's कि I've heard that कभी like the mom or whoever the elder is, the woman of the house, telling their daughter कि अच्छा नहीं ऐसे नहीं करना, ये तो ऐसी है. भाई, I'm like नहीं, I don't say that. I'm like it's not normal. That is not good. I'll go after him. Like, don't listen. Please don't do that. Just do what you wanted to do. And why? Or most important fact, this conversation did not happen in front of a man. Because if it happened in front of a man, why are you having this conversation? You're not allowed to go. Why are you telling her this? You can't tell her. Bro, I have seen so many men get upset and get mad. Their trigger button is 10 seconds long.
And then if we do the same thing, crazy.
Our trigger button is meant to be lifelong. कोई trigger button है ही नहीं. But yeah, that's not the point of the conversation. उनका 5 सेकंड की होती है. एक चीज ना हो तो वो लग जाते हैं ऊपर. ऐसे लगते हैं कि जैसे एक रॉकेट है ना, नीचे से ऊपर आ जाते हैं. भाई क्यों? और when we say something to confront their anger, कि why are you yelling? Why are you telling me what to do? You can't tell me what to do. I'm telling you. Calm down. Breathe. It's okay. It's all right. I've also seen, and I appreciate all the moms that are like this, that I've said, and I've witnessed this, कि बीवी घर पे, पति भी घर पे, और माँ भी घर पे, और पति बीवी पे angry हो रही, with no reason. He's just mad from something else in life that's going on. माँ goes,
खबरदार मेरी बहू से ऐसे बैठ कर ऐसे बात की तो she dragged him from the ear and said अब कर तू अब कर कोई she's like you don't yell at me like that, why are you yelling at her like that, you respect me like that, why aren't you respecting her like that?
We
Exactly.
need more moms like that.
Every son respects their mom to a great extent, which by all means go for it. I respect my mom to a great, just because I'm a man doesn't mean I don't respect my mom. I respect my mom. Sorry. Just because I'm a woman doesn't mean I respect my mom. I respect my mom to a great extent, and I will protect her. Like it's known that men can only protect their mom. You want to come fight me? You try
First
say
of
something to
all,
my
mom don't need protection.
If
They
I-
will be protecting you.
Of course, no,
you
but-
man child. Sorry. Emotions nikal gaye.
Yes, outburst is coming. I'm mad right now.
All men are big babies. This is a fact. All men are adult babies.
वही तो मैंने बोला था कि maturity की वो उनका थोड़ा later ज़माने में आता
This
है.
is like, I think I have seen so many examples of this.
Yeah. I
This is
heard half of
true.
the examples from her only.
This is so true. What you've said is absolutely true. No shade to any man out there. This is how.
I love my dad. Don't. I'm not calling you a man.
This is no shade throwing. This is just actually what goes on.
Yeah.
मेरे को पता है लाइक बहुत सारी लड़कियां भी होती होंगी गलत बहुत चीजों में. Obviously nobody is perfect, but this is the reality, guys. This is the reality of our world.
Exactly. And let me point out one more thing. I hate this label. I used to get this label when I was in high school. I'm a crybaby.
Oh yes. Oh my. Their women are sensitive. They will cry to anything.
Bruv, I will fully accept. I'm a very sensitive human being. Yeah, I could, if I see a baby crying on the street, I start crying. I am like this. But I don't, now, when I've grown up, I don't cry without purpose. And honestly, now because I've been labeled as this, I stopped crying. And now it's so difficult for me to cry. Because I force myself that nahi, कि तू नहीं कर सकती.
You're
Because-
suppressing your emotions.
Exactly. Just because I've been told कि तू cry baby है. और सबको पता चल गया कि ये cry baby है.
That also happens to men. Where
Yeah, absolutely.
if they cry once in their life,
they can't cry. They're men. How they're supposed to be like a stone?
Exactly.
Guys, we're human beings.
No wonder their emotions come out in a
And
very wrong
outbursts.
way.
Think about it. Exactly. Now draw back the connections. If men are being told that they can't cry, they suppress it until it becomes anger. Their anger comes out bursting without wanting to, but they end up doing it.
तो बेचारा थका हुआ आया है, उसको अपना गुस्सा, उसको अगर थोड़ा सा गुस्सा कर दिया तो क्या हो गया बेटा, वो सारा दिन काम करता है.
Let me make this very clear. A woman is a housewife. And if you say she's not working, she's just a housewife. तुम करके दिखाओ ये सब.
Exactly. I was just about to say that.
तुम करके दिखाओ ये सब.
Let's switch roles for a day. I'll do your corporate job, you come and do my job. Let's see how well you can do.
Never. The amount of balancing they do with making food, getting up, taking care of their children, dropping them to school, coming home again, taking care of their in-laws, going like doing everything. It's so much.
तुम्हें तो तुम्हारा अंडरवेयर भी निकला हुआ चाहिए ड्रॉर में से भाई.
Bro, moms are superwomen. They, oh my god, they go through so much. Like mentally, physically, workingly, everything.
Yeah, it's not just housewives. Even working women, they do
Yeah,
so
go
much.
so much,
They have to
bro.
balance. My mom was a working woman. She had to balance everything. She had to
Same.
balance kids at home. She has to balance.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They have to balance housewife and life.
And
guys.
life,
And can
yeah.
you imagine how
And-
difficult that is?
And just because she's a woman, she just can't work for herself. She needs to take care of the house because actual उनकी ड्यूटी वही है.
Yeah.
अगर आप काम कर रहे हो और अपने घर को इग्नोर कर रहे हो, then अपनी responsibilities मत ignore करो.
Exactly.
This is your responsibility. Why? Where is it written? In the constitution?
Exactly. I just wanna all I wanna do is sum this up by saying that, guys, I am so glad that our generation is finally understanding equality. That yeah, if you're in a house and yes, let's say the woman comes back from a hard day of work, the guy's in the kitchen making dinner for the kids and for her. I am so glad that this is now being brought to light. But with saying that, it hasn't been brought to light enough. That's why we talk about this.
It's where you are, like, you come from, and
Yeah.
also how you were raised.
Yeah.
Because in some parts of the world you can see this.
Yeah.
It's very evident, especially the western part of the
Yes,
world.
Absolutely. Yeah.
But it should be more
Yeah.
normalized.
And
yeah.
I want to tell anyone of our generation, guys, if you notice that this cycle is not being broken, make an effort to try and break it. If
Whoever you are, if you even if you're a man, try your best to help out in certain things in your household. Even if you're not married or anything, even just your mom,
Exactly.
help them.
Exactly. Tying back to the first topic, you are your own person. You can make a difference in this world. If you can make a difference, and if by just doing small things like this, if you can make a difference by showing equality in our house, do you understand how much our generation can change its whole idea? It's insane.
Yeah.
But that initiative needs to be taken by several people in all types of ethnicities and religions everywhere.
Yes.
Can't just be in Western. It can't
No.
just be like that. It needs to be shown everywhere. And I know it's difficult to match up because I think in our religion, there's also purpose for why some stuff happens, right? In terms of religion and spirituality and all that. But yeah, I mean, it's now things have changed. Now we don't think like that anymore. So we need to level up with that, and we need a match.
We need to have equal. If we are getting equal opportunities, then the other gender, whatever it is, you also have to show up to
Yeah.
equal, balance it out.
Absolutely.
And
Yeah, and it doesn't just have to be like by doing stuff at home, guys. Like if you're going out, I'm gonna say this for all men. I know this is about women's taboo, but I highly with this topic, I highly feel that men are allowed to show their emotions. They should not be restricted to not show their emotions. When I have a child, and I'm telling you this right now, when I have a child, if it's a boy, I'm gonna raise it to say that if you want to cry, you cry. I don't care who says what. You are a human being. You have emotions. Just because तुम्हारा hormones ऊपर नीचे नहीं होते रहते doesn't mean that you don't have it.
Yeah.
You're allowed to cry, but I want you to also understand. Take it out and be stronger than before you started crying. That's what I want them to understand.
realize why you're crying.
Exactly. Don't just do it कि oh अच्छा ये रो रहा है तो no. There's a purpose
Like
to
it's
why.
okay to cry.
There's
Like,
a
you should know why
purpose.
you're crying.
There's a purpose to why someone feels emotional, man. Very big purpose, okay? The same thing with women. I want them to also understand that if I'm having a daughter and a son, I want the daughter to understand he can cry. तू खबरदार कुछ बोली उसको करने दे उसको. He's allowed to. This entire mindset works with everything. It works in households, it works in generations, it works in ethnicities. But our age people, older age people, younger age people, everyone needs to understand that this needs to start being applied to make a difference. And I think it's very, very important, which is why we want to talk about women's taboo today with you guys. Because there's so many topics in this entire podcast that we're telling you, and we hope that by saying this, you can now say that these people have talked about it, we have power, we want to take initiative for it too.
Yeah.
We hope that that's what you gain out of this podcast. That's what we want to give you. That's it.
You went into a TED talk.
I'm sorry.
Come on, no. Oh my god.
This table's really wobbly. Okay, I'm sorry, but this topic, it's so personal.
I think it's every woman's unsaid truth. Yes.
And I think every woman dreams of talking like this. Man.
Yeah, everyone wants to talk about this, and somewhere deep down we know that we have brought it up this far, we'll take it ahead as well.
Yeah, and
We'll bring change.
absolutely. And I'm telling you this right now. All three of us, we're not ashamed with anything we've said.
Not
We
at
are
all.
very proud and very strong that this is how we see the world so far and how it's been changing.
Honestly, I don't think we have said enough.
Yeah, I
There
agree.
is so much more that we can go deeper into, but right now we are sticking to
Absolutely.
like the main things that we think, or the things that have not been touched enough.
Yeah.
But yeah, we can go for hours and
No,
hours.
this McDonald's, this conversation goes on for 5 hours, but I don't think you guys want to see a 5 hour long podcast, so we've thumbed it
The
out.
biggest thing is this hasn't gone personal.
Yeah.
This is very like general
Generalized,
that
yeah.
everybody can understand and everybody can relate to, but there is some things that can,
Yeah.
that has happened in our own lives and still happens that we don't think we can share.
The motto of this podcast is that if we have the strength to say it, you have the strength to say it. Let's make a change. That's the motto.
Say it, like talk about
Yeah,
it.
say it.
It's fine.
Talk about it. If you can't, if you don't have, if you think you don't have anybody trustworthy enough to talk about something like this, drop us a DM.
Yeah,
We will talk to
You
you
can do
guys.
that.
absolutely.
We can Instagram sass with us. You can drop us any DM, anything you want to talk
We'll
about.
put it over here.
We, if you don't want it anywhere else, you just want to talk. Even then, hit us up.
Yeah, man.
I'm ready to talk to anyone.
Absolutely. We will love
Any,
to
I'm
have
such a good listener.
conversations.
I promise.
Oh, trust me, bro. In our conversations, I'm majority of the yapper if you've not seen in the conversations.
As you can see.
No, but you can just like say what, like if we miss something, if we,
Yeah.
if there is something that very specific to you and you want to share, or you have nobody to share that about to, you can just like tell it to us. We won't share it. You can just let us know, and
Just talk to
get it
us.
out. Yeah,
Just
get
talk
it
to
out.
us.
Even like we also need to learn. It's not that we
Absolutely.
know everything.
We don't know
so
everything, man. There's so many things.
we haven't
that-
touched like divorce and
That,
those that like
Tricky ones,
I
yeah.
know women and everybody else go through so much, so I think you can share anything you want.
We want to talk about everything.
Yeah.
But we also want to keep in mind what you guys want to hear. If you want us to talk about something else, just drop us a comment or a DM that, oh my god, or maybe correct us if we are wrong.
Absolutely.
If you're wrong, then correct us or tell us like, oh no, this is something that you shouldn't have said, or this is something that you need more research on. I love a good research. I'm a research person. I love it. I would happily go into a deep dive with whoever it is. Let's do it together. Let's make a change together.
Yeah, and I want to say one thing. If you feel that, let's say it be your boyfriend, be your dad, be your brother, any man in your life, if you feel that they don't know this information, and if you feel that this video has given me that insight that I want to now say this, show them this video. Show them the clip that relates to you the most, that you want them to understand. If they can't listen to you, three other women have said this, right? If
And we are I think she is 20, she is 20, I'm 26. There's no particular age to this. It relates to anybody and everybody.
It can be an old woman as
It relates to your
Absolutely.
mom, your sister, your girlfriend, your friends, anyone.
and any of the comments that we have said towards these situations, they have been said by younger, by older, by multiple. So there genuinely is no range of age that we have.
And by
categorized
the
it.
way, sorry, but this is not the end of the podcast.
oh my god, yes.
This is
We
not the end of the
conclude.
podcast. I think that's it for today's podcast. And we had a lot of fun and a lot of insights while making this one. I think there's a lot more to talk about these topics, but this is it for today. We can go into a deep dive anytime you guys want us to. We are always available.
Drop topics down so that we
Drop your topics in the comment section below or DM us topics that you want us to cover in the upcoming videos. Also, share this video with people who you think would want to listen to this, or somebody who
should listen to this.
somebody you think maybe you can't say this to their face and you can send it, you can tell them through this video like, watch this and you'll know what I meant by saying that. And I have another challenge for the girls. Not a challenge, but I want you guys to like comment us or comment down or DM us about any of the taboos you guys are still carrying with you, because I know I have a lot in my life. So do these two, I am sure. And we want to know what your taboos are too, so we can talk about them. We can get them in the open. And yeah, I think that's what I want to make a change. Tell us what you're still going through. Maybe we can help you ease the pain, or maybe we can give you solutions on how to deal with it.
And let us know if you learn something new too, and if you realize something that you didn't think that was a taboo in this by you watching this episode. And DM us if you don't want to post it on YouTube comments, if you're personal and whatever. And yeah,
Thank
Follow
you.
us on Instagram. We're called Sass with Ass. We post a lot of reels, videos, updates on our daily stories, on our post. Watch out for the next video. We'll let you know through Instagram when it's coming. And also recommend some topics for the podcast.
Bye.
Peace. Let's go.